Afternoon guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've had beautiful sunshine, which we are all grateful for and very much in need of. So we've been working on this 2019 Carthago C-Tourer, and this customer is a local customer that's come down to us to upgrade his existing head unit to one with full-blown navigation, Apple CarPlay and the ability to enter vehicle dimensions. So join me inside and we'll show you what Martin's been doing. Right, so this customer, when it arrived this morning, this vehicle had a Pioneer AVIC model, and that is basically a CD DVD player, non-navigation, and it was outputting to the rear screen. So for instance, for listening to FM, DAB, and plugging in an iPhone or a smartphone or an iPod or something similar. But now the customer wanted that peace of mind knowing that we've got full-blown 9-inch navigation system, that you can have the ability to enter the vehicle dimensions, as well as having the FM and the DAB, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless and wired Android Auto. So we're currently on the radio screen as it is at the moment. You can drop the little tab down here. You've got radio, digital radio, and some other features and functions in here. You've got the full-blown navigation system. You've got quick access to your phone and what media you're listening to down here. You can just press the button, again, easily access any of them whilst you're driving. What we do like about this, so let's go back to the digital radio, is that you've got your rotary volume knob. Now the rotary volume knob here is perfect because this vehicle doesn't have multifunction steering wheel controls. So with the quick easy access, you can just use the radio volume to go up and down, but you also have radio controls on the side of the Pioneer system itself. Now this is the AVIC-Z1000D, and it's also, then there's a 35 and a 42, and that's whether you've got the Ducato 7 dashboard or the newer style Ducato 8. But this particular model, FM, DAB, 9-inch navigation, and the ability to enter dimensions for the vehicle. So now that both driver and, well, our customer and his other half can drive comfortably and confidently, knowing that this is not going to lead them down a narrow road or a low bridge or something similar like that, because this is quite a big coach-built motorhome, and that's why Pioneer have made this fantastic bit of kit. So I'm just going to open the glove box and I'm going to plug my phone in. That saves me having to set up the wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay, and then we just show you the very basic stuff which we've done loads of times before. So my phone is now wired like so. We've got Apple CarPlay for Google Maps. We've also then got all your other features and functions. So you've got your WhatsApp, you've got your digital radio stations, you've got Google Maps, but you've also got Apple Maps. I've got two lots of WhatsApp on here as well. Here's your Apple Maps. And if you've got things like Waze and other stuff, you can use all of this wirelessly or wired through your phone. But remember, this doesn't know that you're in a motorhome, and the dedicated navigation system does after you've entered your dimensions. So if you've got a vehicle and you want a dedicated Pioneer system. There are some caveats that we have to run through. Is your vehicle can't come from factory with the factory radio in, otherwise this system won't work, or at the very worst it won't give you the rotary volume control, or it needs to be an open dash, so an aftermarket radio or nothing, and we can fit something like this. Now we know that this vehicle came to us with an aftermarket radio, so we've been able to fit the Pioneer, and it looks beautiful. Microphones fitted, GPS fitted, dual USB fitted, now all done and dusted. We haven't even bothered to team it up with a reversing camera because this motorhome's already got it built in on a separate screen, otherwise I'd be showing you the dedicated camera button. But if you've got a vehicle and want one of these Pioneer systems, get in touch with us. We'll do some checks, make sure it's okay for your vehicle, then get you booked in. And don't forget to follow us on social media, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, usual bits and pieces. But as usual, thanks for watching.